and we just make, let's make the central hole. For this hole, we can also use the feature of hole, and also we can use extrude. I want to show you. I will use hole feature to do the 2 smaller holes and make this one with extrusion. Circle, snap to the center. The dimension, the size of this is 41. Dimension 41. Finish sketch and extrude. Of course, not add material that is cut. If we select cut, it should be in a reverse direction. And what is the distance of cut? 33? Yeah. 33? Okay, 33. But the design concept is this should be always a through hole. Yeah. No matter if we change the overall size, it's always through. Yeah. But if we make it as input 33, and we change the second feature, and we change this to 40, it is not a through hole. Not a through hole. So in feature level, we should always reflect our real design concept. Then what to do? We should edit this feature, and edit the termination, not distance, not input specific distance, which it should be to next, all 2. If we select 2, we should to here. In this case, no matter what is overall size, it's always through. Okay, and this 2 is a little different with the all. For this part, there's no difference, but to these 2 options, it is different. Can you figure it out?
All is going to be from the most outer plane to the most inner plane.
Very good, very good. If we select 2, the rear surface, it stopped here. But if we make it through all, if we make further feature behind this plane, it is also there is a big hole on it. Of course, for this part, the result is similar. But you should know the difference between these 2 options. Okay, I just take it as through all, and let's use the hole, the feature of hole, to make these 2 holes, like these 2 holes. And the size of these 2 holes is 14. And what is the location?
The 96.
The 96? Actually, it is co-centered with this. Co-centered with this. Okay. For this case, in this case, the design concept, it should be co-centered. But if it is your design concept is not co-centered, you should locate it in Sketch. Okay. Let me just take it as co-centered here. The placement, it can be linear or it can be concentric. Concentric on this plane and concentric reference with what? We should select a round surface. concentric with this. See?
Yeah.
And we select plane again, this plane. Oh, sorry. So we shouldn't use this function. In this case, we only can make one hole at one command. I want to make these two holes exactly the same size. So I use the linear placement. I place on this and use reference. There are so many ways to create the holes, so I just cancel this. I want to use the central point to locate it. So I make a sketch on this surface to this sketch, and I make point. Look, this point should be at the center of the arc. At the first, there is no, like here, there is no central point here. There is center point here because I have I snap to this arc, so the center of this arc show up. Yeah. And this center point is here, snap to the center point here. Oh, sorry, not this point. And point, snap to the center point. We get these two center points. For the sketch for hole, is just center point. I just finish sketch, and when we create the hole, we choose the diameter is 14, and the center of these two centers let's hold the command, the control key. Oh, sorry. There are two centers. And the termination is, let's take this as through all. Sorry. In this case, why there is just one hole. I do not want to spend time to correct it. And in this case, if we want to make exactly the same hole in exactly the same size, we can use what? We can use like the mirror. If we mirror this feature, mirror this hole, and we select the mirror plane. What is the mirror plane? We open the original coordinates. If I will select which plane? Mirror plane. If we select this, it should be this. Look, there is a preview. This hole should always exactly the same size as this.